This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. Starting early today. Let me just see something. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully my battery is charging. We'll check it later. Got a couple of things to do, but you know what? Didn't really get much trading in yesterday, so let's see what we can do today. Woo! Took a little trade in, that was loud. Took a little bit of a trade in topstep. Paid $60, $30 in 2 accounts. Just to get my feet wet, get the flavor of the day. We're going to take a look, see what's happening. We're going to start with the 15-minute chart like we always do. M&Q, 300,000 contracts traded already. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. Gold. I'm going to try something in gold. Let's go back 10. And I'm also going to try, what am I going to try? We're going to use the strategy that we created, Madman Antonio, but we're going to invert it. We're going to invert it for a 5 lot. Okay, and you know what? We're going to trade it on an MFFU account. That's going to be an interesting experiment. 5 lot. Is 5 lot really? Maybe, how about a 3 lot for the first day? Yeah. Let's do a 3 lot the first day. Shit damn. It's already in a trade, I think. So let's synchronize. And okay, and enable. Hey. Oh, I'm on the wrong, there we go, MFFU, it's long 3. We synchronized. Okay, perfect. So, did my phone go up? Still no. Are you not working? Why is my charger not working? That's weird. It was working in my room. Let's see what these trades can do. One thing they'll do for me is they'll keep me in trades longer than 15 seconds. Which was one of my problems with MFFU. Oh, this one's going to be out in 12 seconds. I missed a couple of good trades, but that's okay. Okay, so we're down $15 on the first one. No big deal. And we're going to minimize that. Get on the capture screen. Okay, so what else do we got? Let's check out the 15-minute chart, see what happened during the day. Ça c'est quoi? 1 minute. Why don't I have a second 1 minute chart? I don't remember. And since I don't remember, goodbye. Okay, this is not the 15-minute chart I use for analysis. This is the 15-minute chart that I use for trading the strategy. Let's load it. This one's going to be on, let's also do a 3 lot so we stay consistent, but this will be on Sim 103. That will make sense for me. That will make sense for me. I don't know why it'll make sense for me, but it seems like a 103. That's the 5 minute trading on the MFFU account. And this is the 1 minute chart, and this is the 15-minute chart. Let's take a look. We swept the Asia session highs. We're above previous day's close. Again, above previous day's high. Yesterday we traded above previous day's high. Stayed above it. Now we're a little bit, actually we got a little bit below, trading below the previous day's high. That's the yellow dashed line, but above the previous day's close. So in between the two. But above VWAP. So this is bullish price action. Let's take a look at the daily. The daily, we did a little bit of a bull flag. We're going back up. We're above the 100, the 200, and the 50. The only thing that's mildly bearish is the 50 is below the 100 and the 200. It got below in March, April. I think we were above for, no, we weren't above for that long of a while. We were above for a while. Anyways, won't take long to get too much above it. Okay, so I'll be right back. Give me a second. Okay, let's take a look at the volatility now that we know we're bullish. 1 minute chart, 5.92, garbage. Garbage, garbage. The 1 minute is short biased. The 5 minute is short bias. The 15 minute is bullish. Longer term chart right now. Anyways, we'll keep an eye on the 5 minute chart. We're watching gold. Also, we'll see if we can sneak in a gold trade or two. Missed a good trade on NQ on another. There's that big arrow, big shiny arrow, telling you that we're bearish. Using the Madman Tonio algo. Really not going to get much right now at this hour. We'll watch getting down to touching previous day's close. It looks like on the 5 minute chart. Not on the 5 minute chart that you see on another one. I don't have it on that chart. I'm keeping it clean. I'm keeping it clean for the algo, but this one here on the 1 minute chart, the previous close is that white dashed line. And we're touching into it. We got a lower swing low. The blue dots indicate the swings, the swing lows. The kind of orange dots are the swing highs. So we've had a series of lower swing highs since 7:30 in the morning Eastern time, and now we had our first swing low. Actually, our second swing lower swing low. We could be heading lower or drifting lower. Take a quick look again on the 15 minute. A target could be VWAP. A target could be the London lows. London is the blue box. The London session. The Asian session is the gray box. I highlight them for ease of viewing. And right now, so far, only one trade. And that was the algo on the 5 minute chart. Actually, no, not entirely. Like I said, I took a trade in topstep also. That one worked out. I got about 6 points. I'm a scalper. 6, 5, 6, 7 is my low end. My high end usually is 8 to 12, 8 to 15 points. So we wait for a setup. That's all we can do. I can't force it. Gold opens in 3 minutes, I think. Where's my time? Why is it in the back? That's odd. Excuse me? Why is the time reference not working? Oh, I know why. It's funny. Because I did some alphabetical sorting. Shit, damn. Okay, I guess we can't sort entirely alphabetically. This has to go above the cameras. Otherwise, we won't have the time. And I like to have the time. There we go. Wow, pretty decent dumping in Q. It's too bad I missed it. What I mean by I missed it is I was short around 21,302 with about a 7-point stop. And that's about what I took out. I made it kind of like a 1-for-1, but had I held, I would have had more. Mic is on. I didn't do a sound check. You know what? Might as well do a sound check. Got to do one every morning. Sound check. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, I didn't hear anything. That's kind of weird. Oh, there it is. Why didn't it work before? Well, looks like it's working now. That's all that matters. Well, looks like it's working now. That's all that matters. Sound check is complete. The echo will stop eventually. Don't panic. Wow, still took another decent sized dump, eh? Let's say 21,335 points. Not bad. I mean, given the fact that we only have a 5-point, now it's a 7-point range, 9-point range in the 1-minute candles. Okay, it's going up. Volatility's picking up. That's good. Who doesn't like more volatility? Okay, getting a little bit of a bounce here off the bottom. A little front running ahead of VWAP. Sellers pushed it lower. Buyers said, no, no, no. I don't think so. Although we did take out these two lows here, eh? Let's see what that looks like on the 15-minute, if it's anything to notice. Yeah. I guess those would be internal lows. Yeah, we took those out. Those are really the only ones to take out. Ah, that's interesting. Maybe now we rocket higher. He says after we're rocketing higher. Let's see this close if we can get above the swing high. This one here, the orange dots. I use the orange dots to identify swing highs. And I identify a swing high. It's got to have 3 lower highs on each side. That's how I identify it. Kind of like a fractal, but a fractal is 2. 13 seconds. One second. I'll take a 3 lot if I can get in. Okay, 4 lot. We'll see. We'll see if the previous day high acts as a magnet and brings us higher. We will see what price does. $93. Gold will give us an entry at $32.95. Gold is opened. Doesn't look like gold is open. It's pretty sleepy. Serious? You blast off after taking out the internal lows, and then you come back down like that when I get in? That's not nice. That's not nice. Getting into the fair value gap. Let's see what 50% of the fair value gap is. We're pretty much right at it. Even a little bit deeper. I missed gold at 32.95. Ooh, I might get another chance while I'm bleeding in NQ. Let's see if we can bring down our average price, and let's see if we can get, let's start off with 32.96 as our first target in gold. There we go. We got back up in, oh, well, we did get back up temporarily in NQ, as it looked like that fair value gap was going to hold. I'm watching 95.5 I saw. I want to get 96 on gold for my first exit. Running two trades, working two trades here, and we got to check. We're still 5 minutes away from a trade. Okay, 95.7 I just saw. Going slowly. Shit, NQ, I would have gotten that at MQ when we got up to my average price. It was a nice little run also, but didn't last too long. 95.5, 95.6, 95.7, 95.8, 96, 96.1. Let's get out of 3. Of course, it doesn't fill me. It's hard to get out of gold on the bid and the ask. It's a little bit of a problem. Come on, 96.1. You were there for me already. Sounds like a radio station. 96.1, fill me. You were there again on the offer. Maybe 96. Maybe I got greedy. There we go. Took me out. Hello? Uh, Distractions, and I'm getting my ass handed to me. Gold was almost at 97. I should have gotten out, but I don't know. I had my head up my ass, and I didn't get out of my NQ trade, which is going to go long again, so that's okay. When this candle closes in 30 seconds. But in these orders, we'll see what happens. Okay, there you go. It went long again. Gold's coming down. I knew we would go long a little bit more. That was the algo that went long a little bit more. Hopefully gold will print an up bar. And I want to lighten up my position. Sim 103, that means the 15-minute went, I think, long. Let's check. Sim 103. Sim 103 is short. Yeah, I see why Sim 103 is short. Okay, but we got to get back to the MFFU account. Oh shit, we're still underwater with the MFFU account. Wow, it just won't get above my my entry price. Hey, that's not a good sign. That is not a good sign. I am bullish, but I'm oversized. And I'm bullish on gold, but I shouldn't be in this trade. So starting off the morning with some poor trading. There we go. Let's get out of the 7 lot. No, 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 no. We're not selling 3 lot. We're not selling anything on the NQ. The NQ is being managed by the algo now. I had 7 lot manual. That's what I added. I'd be doing better than MFFU if gold was doing good. Anyways, we'll get there. The day is long. Hopefully gold won't screw me. Hopefully gold will go back up again. Nice little move in NQ. And I got to hold it for 2.5 more minutes. That's a record for me, guys. You should be proud of me. This is some Olympic holding I'm doing. I hope it doesn't come back down. It did. A little bit. Quite a bit, actually. Well, you can't always close on the high and on the low of each candle, eh? I just gotta hope the gold recovers instead of making its way all the way down. Bugger gold. Really? What are you doing? You are short. And losing. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. But what's more important is that the 5-minute trade is working out. Thing is, I'm distorting the stats because I'm also trading gold. It's going to be hard to see what the system does. Still got another minute in the trade. It's going into red. I had like 12 points, 2,300. I mean, 21,300 was a little bit of a stumbling block. Day is long. Let's see what happens. 28 seconds. It's going to get out on the close of this candle. Wherever it closes. Hey, get back up there. Cool. Push. Push. Push, 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 push. Get back up close to, get back up to like 96. 296. Fucking gold. 95 and a quarter, 96. There we go. Oh, and it asks for a better price. I love it. I love it. I love it. Even better. Smart man. Gold's gonna cause me misery. Gold's gonna ruin everything. Not sure how big of a win I took out of. Oh shit! I might have to go up and do something. Not sure how big of a win. I guess I might as well do it now, eh? 8:30 before the market's open. Not sure how big of a win that gold took out. Gold NQ took out. Here's the interesting thing. There's a good chance NQ is going to go long again at the close of the next candle. If gold goes up, it'll trigger at 94, which will only be 90 cents under my entry. I can add a 3 lot and hopefully it'll run. Wow, I thought trading this on the 5 minute will give me like a break. I won't trade so often, but shit, damn, it might enter another trade like 5 minutes after it got out. Well, we'll see. For now, let's watch the algo on this. Two more minutes and we'll come back. We'll watch the algo on the 15-minute chart. It's short. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to change the algo. I'm going to make the algo on the 15-minute chart, which is trading on sim. I'm going to change it to a 4 lot. Why does my phone keep dinging? So we'll know if it's a 4 lot, it's the 15-minute. If it's a 3 lot, it's the 5-minute. 57 more seconds. And the MFFU count's going to go long. Let's see what price we get. And let's see how the next trade. Gold might trigger along. There we go. Let's lower my price. 18 seconds from going for a 3-lot in on the 5-minute chart in NQ. Gold, I need you to rally. Be nice. There we go. It's trying to get in. No. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Just get me out of this fucking trade. There we go. You know what I love about the system? It didn't trigger me in. It's got such a wonderful break. I love it. Instead of me being long at 83. Antonio, it's too bad you're not here. You're missing the fireworks. It didn't put me in the trade. And the 15-minute is in the trade. It's short. The 15-minute is short. We'll watch it. And if it doesn't go up to 83, it won't put the 5-minute in the trade. Cool. Got out of gold. Gold made a nice little quick run to get me out. I got trapped in that trade because of a stupid phone call. Man, when the 5-minute chart closes. Well, how much time's left on the 15-minute? Also 3 minutes. Okay, so we'll watch it on the 15-minute. We'll see. We'll watch the 15-minute auto trader take profit, hopefully. 3 more minutes. We are 15 points in the money. 17 points in the money. $22, 25 points in the money. Go, baby. But I would close it here if I was trading this manually because we're at VWAP. And there's likely to see a bounce at VWAP, but you never know. We might just plow right through VWAP. I've seen that happen too. And since this one's, this is the system on Sim 103, we can let it go. Gold gave me a gift. Took a little bit of a $4 spurt there. Just enough to help me get out. Thankfully, because I wasn't happy I got caught in the trade. Another minute. And 30 seconds. Can we get below VWAP? That would be cool. That would be a beautiful trade. Push it lower. Let's get down to 260. 260. We got 7 seconds. Push it. 64. 63. Excellent. 63. Didn't get filled yet. It's true. It wants a few points better. 1 point better, I think, actually, to help with the slippage. Once it closes, I don't get out of the market. I coded it so that it puts in a limit order. But yes, you run the risk that it moves against you at that time, eh? Just like it's doing now. What do you do in that case? That's the problem. Gold is long. 93. I'll get in at 92.8. We'll see what we get out of this. You know what? I should do a 4 lot. There we go. Now I can get out with a partial at half size, and maybe a 1 lot and a 1 lot. We'll see. But I did just realize something. I don't want to do this with 4 lots. I'm going to do it with 2 lots. 2 lots, a piece out, 1 out, 1 out, just like that. Because gold is hard to trade. Until I get better at it, 2 lots are enough. I was way over trading last week. Under trade, I'll let it run. See, just like now. Get me 1 lot out, and I'll let the other one go. I'll even put in a stop loss. How about right there? Sell stop market. Let's see how far it can go. Let's have fun with it. $4. So if we can get 96.8, 96.7. I want NQ to go lower. Let's take a look at the 5 minutes developing. 5 minutes still far away from a trade. I want to go refresh my coffee. Yeah, you can hear some banging, some annoying banging. They're doing construction. No, that's not it. Wow, what a bugger. So you see manually closing it at the VWAP would have been a really good idea. 294. Can we get to 95? We're almost at 94.8. 95 would have been good. I'm thinking 94.8 is looking pretty. Even though I said 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 94, 95, 96, maybe 95.8. I don't know. We'll see. I got in my stop loss. Worst case scenario. Yeah, 94.7. So much for going for the. So much for going for 96s. Not giving it time. Gotta give him time. Money's made by sitting, not by doing. Problem is, you know what else is done by sitting? Giving back profits. Gold is showing weakness again. Should have taken the $20 when I had it. Hey, at least the 15-minute chart's coming back down. And let me get a little bit over 94. I'll be happy with that. Let's say 94.2. What? Take me out on MNQ. There we go. Gold is done for now. NQ is going to get put into a short on the top step chart. Wondering if I should take it. Take me out already over there. You know what? Oh, just as I was going to move it. Let's see what's going on in the 5 minute. 5 minutes going to get into a trade in 2 minutes. Wow, they're really just not letting me get out of here, eh? Five minutes going to go long, most likely in 2 minutes from now. Can't guarantee it 100%, but it looks like it. And that's going to be the Madmantonio algo taking the trade on my MFFU account. Just to let you know. And so far, it's done well for me, Madmantonio, since I fixed it. It couldn't make money on Friday, nor on Monday, last Monday. I said, okay, I see what you're doing. I did a little tuning, and so far we're green on the Sim 103, which is the 15-minute chart, and we are green on MFFU, which Madmantonio is trading on the 5-minute chart. That's interesting. Let's see what happens. There's going to be losses. I know it, but we're going to watch it for the day. "56 seconds. Que sera, sera. Whatever happens, happens. What's it doing in gold? Nothing. Still waiting for gold to trigger another long. So far, gold triggered 3 longs, I think, since I've been here. One was a $1 winner, one was a $2 winner, and one was a $1 winner. So nothing spectacular. $17 more seconds, 10 seconds, actually. I saw some guy posting a video. Hey. We're long. I'm watching the wrong account. Or maybe we're not long. Yeah, we're long. Okay, let's see what happens. Let it go. It's a 5-minute trade. Anything can happen in 5 minutes. Yeah. After this, I'm going to have to test it on the 1 minute because who knows? Maybe even on the 1 minute it can do well. Boom, 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 boom. Let me just check. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, that was a nice one. Wow, that was really nice winner. Loser, 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 loser. Winner, loser. Anyways, let's get back to the 5 minute. Let's watch it rack up the gains. 1 minute trades too often. I don't think I want to have it trade that often anyways. Well, we're up 34. 50. Ooh, doggy. 70. I'm sorry, but I got to undo a little bit like at 70. And I'll tell you why, because I noticed when I was back testing, you got 10 points. It wasn't a bad idea to take at least a piece off. Come on, get back up there. I think what I'll do is I'll take a piece off at 10, at 20, at 30. If it gives me the opportunity. I think I missed it again. See? You know why? Because I don't have, it wasn't part of the plan. So my reaction time's a little bit slow. Actually, it should be based on the volatility, the ATR. That would be a smart idea on when to take a partial. Come on, take me up. Take me up for a 1 lot. Booyah. So close. 69, 69 and a quarter. 69, 68, 67, 70. There we go. It took me out. Now we're looking to get out at 80 for the next piece. Should it run there? Sell limit 1. We have a minute. When this you're funny, Sparky. When this candle closes, go baby. Crude is opening 8 o'clock. Hey James, my algo is doing good today. I reversed the logic. Go take out another piece. Take out another piece. There we go. And take out the third piece. How you doing, James? James. You know what I'm going to do? James, I'm going to go upstairs. First close my window because I'm cold. Let this trade finish. I'll give you a call. Is that good? Oh, you bugger, you're going the wrong way. Okay, close everything. There we go. I love it. I love being up 187 using an algo. Cool. Okay, so let me go just do a couple of things. I'll give you a call. He's back. Fresh coffee. Gold's making a move. My 15-minute sim trade is losing. And I have to open the camera. Where is it? There it is. Hello. Okay. So how we doing? MFFU. Trading Madman Tonio, which is an algo, up 187. That's on the 5-minute chart, and the other one, Sim 103, is trading it on the 15-minute chart and having a hard time of it. But the day is young. We'll see. And why are we trading them on the 1-minute, 5-minute, and 15-minute chart? Even though I have one for the 1-minute chart, because I don't want it to be trading that often. I don't want to trade every couple of minutes. So let's see how this goes. I'm optimistic. I think it's going to do well. In the meantime, we're going to take our scalps in gold, in NQ. NQ is, we looked at the 15-minute chart. We took out, I'll just go over it again quickly. We took out the Asia session highs. That's the gray box. Took those out. We claimed the previous day's close. That's the black dash line. And we got over the previous day's high. That's the green dash line. Kind of consolidated above it and came back down. Now we're back in this little area here, which is going to be a little bit sticky. Let's see. I guess there's really two things I want. I either want to get above the previous day's high or below VWAP. So we can maybe try and catch a runner. A little bit of a runner. But the bias is bullish. I trade in both directions, but the bias is bullish. And in the meantime, we'll watch this trade. Markets aren't opening for another 17, 16 minutes. We'll watch this trade. Let me take a look at the 5-minute chart, see if we have anything. Yeah, the 5-minute can actually, don't look at this, because that's the trade from the 15-minute. The 5-minute will go short if we get a bearish candle on the 5-minute chart. And that's where we stand. Good morning, Joker. Nice to see you. James. I already said good morning to you, James. Gold. Gold I will trade. I'm trading 2 lots in gold. I decided that's going to be my size for gold. I oversized in gold last week. I didn't do too, and I don't know. I did okay in it. But it's an animal that needs taming. It's a little bit difficult to trade. So I need practice. I'm not going to be jumping in large size. And then I have a great story. Shit. Okay, the great story is going to be on Wednesday night's co-stream. I can't co-stream tonight. There's a bit of a problem. I'm busy with something. I got to tell Joker. Joker, I don't know if you're still there. But anyways, we'll cover it later. Yeah, I can't co-stream today. So there's no co-stream tonight. Hopefully Wednesday night, fingers crossed that our schedules align and futures floor and Joker trades can put on a co-stream in the evening. Gold can give me an entry if we can get up to 32.98. Not the greatest entry because then we're just below 3,300. I'm surprised we got back under 3,300 with the move that we saw. Stepped away for a sec, then heard my name. Yeah, I was saying that there's no co-stream tonight. I won't be able to co-stream. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed for Wednesday. I'm hoping our schedules align. I'm free on Wednesday. So here's to hoping you're available on Wednesday. So we can put together a co-stream for Wednesday. Should be good. Okay, you heard it here first. Breaking news. Wednesday night ghost stream. What the hell is that noise? Dave? Was that you with the Chinese balls? No, serious. So what was that noise? Is the cat in your room? Okay, I think I know what it is. Do you hear it? Uh, anyways, okay. Okay. What are we looking for? We are looking on the 15-minute chart. We have nothing. 5-minute chart, nothing. Gold is the only one that right now and like in the next few seconds that can give us a trade. Butter stunts. Haven't seen you in a while. I ask myself that all the time. What the hell was that noise? Is that when you're under the covers? It must be the side effects from the new sleeping pill. Oh boy, James, you got to remind me. Do I have stories for you? Yeah, you got to remind me. Guys, I don't know if anybody's interested, but um, that's not an error there. Apex is having 90% off till tomorrow, just to let you guys know. Okay. Oh, it's true. What did I change? There. What's that noise? Yeah, no, that was a weird noise. That was the cat. Okay, let's get a trade. Let's get a trade in gold. 9:20. The first hour of gold trading is in the books. I mean, it's 9:19, but will be in the books in a few seconds. No 5-minute trade on the horizon at the close of this candle. Hopefully, Antonio shows up. This is kind of his contribution. Hey, hey, hey! Why is the EA turned off? The EA strat, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, he contributed to the building of this strategy. So he should be showing up for the beta testing. Well, it's not really beta testing. It's forward testing. I won't call it beta testing. We're forward testing Madman Antonio on two different accounts, MFFU and Sim 103. Sim 103 is on the, let me remind myself, the 15-minute chart. MFFU is on the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, that's the one we decided was going to be the one that will do well. I think that's the one that's going to actually do the best. We will see. No promises. Hopefully it works out. Catching a nice run. You know what the 5-minute chart needs? I'm sorry. I didn't want to clutter up this trade. I only put in the VWAP. But I think I need to see the previous day's high, low, close. I need to see those points. That's too important to leave that out. Prior date, open, high, low, close. And I need it to be what? What kind of crap is this? These shitty colors. Okay. Remove. Oh, where was I? What was that then? I have no idea where I was. Was I there? What indicator was showing me all those crazy colors? Anyways, doesn't matter. Yellow, green, black. I need it to be white because it's on a black chart. So the previous day's close will be white. There we go. So good. We've gotten over the prior day high. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted us to break out of that. Garrett, you're a funny guy. uh, yeah, under the covers when you're driving. And every time you ask yourself that, it's always followed by a strange odor. What a coincidence. um, curious to see what the 5 minute chart does. The algo might take a trade at the end of this candle. 2 minutes, 2 minutes to go. Let's see. Let's see. You're going to hear these marbles. I got these Chinese balls. Remember I said I was going to get them last week instead of playing with poker chips? So now I spin these in my hand, but hard to do at this angle. There you go. This is how you're supposed to do it. Again, this is the wrong angle, so it makes it hard. But anyways, you get the idea. Hey, OFT. How you doing this morning? Bullish. I'm already telling you it's bullish. As long as we're over the previous day's high, we're bullish. Don't even think about selling. Oh, and by the way, your bounce off VWAP yesterday was golden. Yeah, the Chinese balls. Remember we were talking about them last week? Instead of me playing with poker chips, I'll get the Chinese balls. Well, I got two of them. One for me, one for my son. Stone. Yeah, I know you know. I know you know. Yeah, that was a good call. Very good, very good. OFT makes good calls. Guys, go check out his channel every now and then. Only futures trading. Watch how he trades. Different than me. Different style. Said that I will take it if I have computer open. Ah, did you? Because you told me you closed your computer. I didn't take it, but it was a good trade. Oh, look at that. While I'm chatting, I missed the gold loser. Perfect. Yeah, no try. Oh, well. No big deal. Today's a new day. Volatility's not bad. 17-point range. On the 1 minute candles before the market opens. Can't complain with that. Let's see what I can do today. I'm optimistic. I have a new outlook, a new perspective. 3,500 if we hold 500. 200 is support. I don't get it. 3,500 if we hold 500. If we hold 500, 3,500. 3,500 is 500. 3,500? What do you mean 3,500 if we hold 500? Now you're confusing me. 23,500 if we hold 500. 200 is support. 350, I mean. So 500 if we hold 350. We'll target 500 if we hold 350. OFT, I just been, oh shit, look at that. Look how we're avoiding a losing trade. I love it. We're on the 5 minute chart. That's a buy stop limit, and it doesn't get in the trade. Guys, I think this is a golden system, really. It avoids the losers sometimes. This is pretty. 350 is short. Good luck to you also, OFT. See ya. Okay, that's enough. Too much of the ball twirling and my arm gets sore. I'm going to have really strong muscles. You know what? My hand is really sore. I used to have the grit, the hand grip. I don't used to have it. I still have it. It's here somewhere. Louch. Hand grip. Oh,
Good morning.
does everybody hear him? OFT's in the house. I mean, not in my house. I have it on the speaker. I was in the channel.
Went well.
There we go. Now he's in my ears, not on the speaker. Oh yes, I was saying I have this, but doesn't make my hand anywhere near as tired as the Chinese balls are doing. Chinese balls are heavy. I don't know. I think I got the lead ones. Well, we just finished saying that we're all long bias. Gold as a trade. Let's see. I said 2 lots, right? Wow, that is so beautiful. I would have gotten crushed. I love it. 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 Let's see if I can get into gold for a 2 lot. That's all I'm going to take. You guys have no idea. Really, I don't think you guys understand what you're looking at. The goldenness of this system, let me explain it to you. A buy triggered on the close of the 5-minute candle, but I put in a buy stop limit. In other words, I didn't get in. Instead of getting in on the market, I said, you know what? Let it go up a little bit. Let it show me that it's going to start to go up a little bit. I think it's only two ticks. And yet we avoided the entry. And look at the loss we would have had. So it's not the fact that I avoided this loss. It's the fact that it will avoid losers. Imagine a system that cuts out a certain percentage of losers, but you can't cut out a percentage of winners because in order for it to win, it would have had to go higher. So I'll be in on every winner with this algo, but I won't be in on every loser. I'll be on probably most of the losers, but you know what? If you can even cut out 2 losers in a day, and I think this is the second one we cut out, to be honest with you. I think this one also over here we weren't in. I'd have to recheck the video, but if you can cut out 2 losers on your system, you're laughing, man. In a day. Like, do you know how that skews the results in your favor? Very interesting. Boom, trade's over. Excellent. And now we're like sinking and getting below VWAP. I wanted to get above the previous day's high. I was bullish, and now we're getting below VWAP. Well, so let me just check what the Asian high is at. Let's say 242. Oh, we kind of just kind of kissed it, maybe by a few points, and we're going back higher. 242 and 200. Okay, those are the 2 levels I'm going to watch. Let's get back to the 5-minute chart. Let's watch the 5-minute chart. But I'm in a gold trade, so I got to kind of manage that. That's the most important thing right now. And I have a Bulenox account, 52,734. Got to take care of that one also a little bit. Whoa, there goes gold. What are we at? 931. Okay, perfect. Gold, sell ask. No, don't do that to me, gold. Come on, you were giving me an exit. And soon I'm going to take an Apex trade for a 5-lot. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, so 66 is the entry. I got 1 point better. I like that. Buy bid. At 80, I'll buy another. At 80, I'll buy another. Look at gold go, baby. One. Get me out. That was a good catch in gold. This is a good catch in NQ in the morning. So let's take out the London lows, right? If we're going to go there. What did I say? Oh, no, 242, the Asian highs, eh? We were right there. Let me take out one more. Come on, take me out. Now we'll hold for the Asian lows. Or if the system takes me out, which the system just took me out. Okay, that was cool. So we added 130 to the Apex account on that trade. Very good, very good. Watching gold, watching Madman Antonio Algo. Let's take a look at it on the 15-minute. Much calmer, much calmer. Just the 5-minute and the 15-minute. I'm not running it on any other charts. I'm gonna get another trade to go short as a scalp on the Apex account very soon. I'm watching. The short's going to be at 55, at around 45. But 45 on the offer can hold for about a second. 45 on the ask. If that can hold, then that will be the entry, which is close to the Asia highs. I don't know. Is that the best trade to take? Maybe that's a reason not to take a trade. How about that's a reason to take a 3-lot instead? Because the Asia session highs are there. And they might act as a little bit of a support. But we never know, because we still might just blow through that. I don't even know if the Asia session highs are support. That's kind of like a whole new can of worms for me to say something like that. Gold's running nicely. Took a nice piece out of gold, but not as much as I guess I could have. I could have held the last one. That's the idea. I'm supposed to hold the last one until the reason to sell kicks in. I would have had a really nice move in gold. I never do that, which is a shame because I should be doing that on a 1-lot at least. NQ really looks like it wants to. There we go. There's 45. I got 46.25 for a 3-lot. I'm not going to hang on to this. At 30, I'll take one off. If we break 40, I'll take another off. And then there we go. We broke 40. And now I will hang on for the reason to sell. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I hang on for the reason to sell until I get out. I'll let you know what a reason to sell. Where it takes me out. 38. I'll tell you the numbers. 38, 1, 2, 3, 4, 42. 52 right now. Nope. 52. 45. 45 is now the new number. The new magic number. After that, if we get lower, it's going to be 38. We're going back up to 45. What did I enter in? 46. So you see, I give it back all the profits if I do that. Fuck off, I want it. I'm greedy. I'm greedy, but in the opposite way. Let's see how bad I did. I got out at around 33. Now it's 38. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have gotten out. You see, look, we're at 07 again. Oh, well. Don't listen to me. Entertainment only. See, even though I'm green everywhere, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, the 200. That's the London lows. 15-minute. Nowhere near a trade. Neither the 5-minute. We're watching the 5-minute and we're scalping. Fun day today so far. Somehow my numbers don't seem to be changing though. I seem to be always at 50,500. I make $200 every day in this account and I'm at 50,500. I think someone's playing a joke on me with my accounts. Ah, look at that dump. Right at London low. See, I'm tempted now to take a short at London low. That's the old FOMO chaser guy in me. I am not taking a trade at London lows. Not short, not long. We will wait. So, in the meantime, we scratch an itch. ES broke the London lows quite handsomely. So ES is weaker than NQ today. Ouch. Scratch myself. Oh, we're coming up to the pivot point, at 180. Oh, you don't see the 5-minute charts, eh? I don't even know if I can put them up. I have them set up to be put up, but they need to be realigned and. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of a retrace. Or pullback, what do we want to call it? Either whatever we want to call it, we can go short again. The short's not going to be that good, though. Eh? What's it going to be at 17 minus 14? That's 03. That's right at 21,200, which is kind of where we bounced and where the London low is. And ES is coming back up in the pivot points there. So, yeah, we do have a couple of reasons to stay away from this trade again. We're not at the greatest levels. So maybe we'll watch gold. Where's the gold? I even forgot which. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hey, cool. I missed the gold trade that lost. It's one of those good days. I got to be careful not to drop the Chinese balls on my keyboard. And actually, or accidentally, take a trade. So that's it. We're bouncing. What's the volatility on the 1-minute candles? 29. Excellent. Very good. 29 is good. The only problem with that is on the 5-minute chart. Oh, that's not the 1-minute. That's the 5-minute. The 1-minute is 23. Let me see. Boom, winner. Boom, loser. Anyways, we're not running it on the 1-minute. I'm not going to track it. Today we're going to watch the 5-minute chart. We're going to try and find trades off the 5-minute chart. We're still stalking. Sparky, you're funny. We're stalking the 5-minute, but we're also stalking we're stalking gold. We're stalking NQ, which I might get a trade. It's a little bit of a pull up here with some big wicks on the 5-minute, but if I get an entry, I get an entry. You got to take it, and it looks like I will get one. 31.27 at 17. 17 on the offer has to hold. Oh, we've gone back up. $27, $24. Let me try 35 and fix this trade. No, gotta get out. Come on, take me out, take me out, take me out. Don't cause me stress. There we go. That was a loser. Gave back some. They're not all winners. But that's how trading is done. Take your stops. When I wasn't taking my stops, oh, gold is long. Gold is long at 99. I can get in at 98.7. Ah, shit, I missed it. Why did I miss it? Because my hand wasn't on the right mouse and the size wasn't right. I had to get on the right mouse and change. $99. It's already $1 ahead. Maybe I'll get in the. Ooh, look at that! I'll get a. Come on, film me, be nice. Shit, damn. That should have filmed me. Okay, looking short NQ. Can't do them both at the same time. I kind of want to be in gold. There we go. 2 lot in gold and a 5 lot in NQ. You guys want to watch the NQ trade? There we are. I'm short NQ. Really? It's going against me that quickly again? You're going to take me out twice? I'm going to add to this one up here. Gold is going, I think. No, gold didn't fill. NQ is a 10 lot now. If it takes me out, 20. If I can improve my price, hopefully it'll go down. Let's get under 24. That's good. There we go. Okay, so that brought me up to 170. Gold didn't fill me. It's fast and furious this morning, guys, eh? Gold didn't fill me. It's too bad. Look, 98.6, 98. That's already $1 in gold. That would have been almost $50 more on that trade. Oh, and you know what I did? Oh, I know what I did. I didn't hold a 1 lot. I'll tell you why I didn't hold a 1 lot. Because my initial entry didn't go right away. I had to add to it to kind of save the trade. Anyways, got stopped out. Look how we just went back up. So good for me. And let me close the trade in gold. So far my trading in the algos trading on the 5-minute is doing great. The 15-minute not so good. The 15-minute is up $5. And there we go. Wow, beauty, 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 beauty. I should go buy a lotto ticket today. I just avoided another loser in NQ. Full loss. That would have been a steep, painful loss. Gold might trigger. I'm watching at 3,300. Let me see if I can get 50 cents better. 99.5, 99.6. There we go. 0.5. I got in at 0.5. Excellent. That's a half a cent better. Now if I can get out the first piece at, I don't know, buck 50. That's a good enough move. Even a $2 move in gold. Let's see. Let's get above 3,300. This is not the greatest place to be going long in gold right at 3,300. That's a round number. So there is a chance I lose on this. I mean, there's a chance I lose on every trade, but you know what I mean. There's an extra chance. I'm dealing with a little bit extra on the obstacle part of the trade. Let's add a 2 lot, bring my price down. And now I'm at 93, 99.3. If we can get up to 99.7, 0.8, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, take me out of a 2 lot. There we go, one's gone. And now another one's gone. Now I lowered my price. Get out of 1 lot. This trade's going to work. Perfect. We're done. I'm going to let it run now until it takes me out. Let's see what I can pull out of this trade. This is an excellent start for MFFU, which is, in case you guys know, MFFU is my unlucky account. I always have a hard time making money. Give my code. Didn't take me long, huh? Gold's gonna go down. Oh, I still got $1. Still got. Yes, reminding me. OFT's reminding me there's a 90% sale on Apex. You have till tonight or tomorrow night, 90% off. That's pretty good. Gold is out, so let me get out of my last piece. There we go. Gold got out. That was holding until got an opposite signal. I did what I said I would do. All is good. Good job, good job. Looking for a long in. NQ. You know what? I'm not even sure, to be honest with you, what direction the algo is going to take on the 5-minute. I have no positions. Both strategies are enabled. We are showing a down arrow on the 5-minute chart, so I'm guessing. I'm surprised we didn't. We maybe we did. No, it's short. It's short. It's right. There's no error. There's no errors in the code right now. Perfect. The 15-minute opening range break on the 5-minute chart. We're going to have to do a lot of exploration on that. Everyone's talking about that. We got to see if we can get that working. We got to see if we can get that working. Shit, damn. Okay, what am I? Let's read the tea leaves. 15-minute is long. Oh, no, it's not. I just realized something. How much time left on this? Okay, 10 minutes. We'll revisit. I think the 15-minute will go short, and I think there is an error in the code. Well, we'll see. Yeah, there is an error in the code. I see it. Okay, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. It's not going to affect performance, but there is an error in the code. The next trade with Apex will be, with the Apex account, will be long. No, I shouldn't say that. Most likely long. Really close to getting in long. There we are. Bad fill. Bad fill. I had to take just a little piece out. The fill was bad. Sorry about that. And you know what? While I have time, let me go fix the code. I know what the error is. While we're waiting, let me take a look. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I agree. I mean, what'd we do? We swept the London lows. We came back up. We're above VWAP, but we're still above previous day's close. We can rotate lower. I'm not 100% convinced. Let me fix the code. Wow, I feel like I have a sunburn. It's not going to be long. I think all I got to do is invert one line of code. I got to take this line, copy, paste. I got to take this line, copy, paste. I got to remove this line. And I got to remove this line of code. Remove, and we got to compile. And we're back in business. Everything should should appear the way it should appear, if you know what I mean. Everything will appear correctly, with the arrow showing the direction of trade, what direction we're going to take the trades in. Nobody has a trade. Let me close, let me close, let me open, let me open. And when the candle closes on the 5-minute chart, it will tell us long by putting a green arrow underneath. There we go. Five-minute opening range. It's true. Wow, look at that. It's right at the previous day's close. This is a dangerous trade. What is this VWAP? Is it 86 periods? And the reason why I asked that is because that's what they're using for their take profit. It's 6, eh? Shit. I kind of need like 2 VWAPs. Anyways, we'll have to use 6. I can't go with the 86. Yep, there's a whole bunch of people that have ORB strategies that never lose, and yet when I test them, they have lots of losses. I guess it's all clickbait. I find they're kind of equal. I'm just looking at the MNQ and the MES, the 5-minute charts. Don't see really any obvious divergence. Waiting for a gold trade, waiting for another NQ trade. It's too bad that I couldn't milk more out of the last NQ trade, but it didn't give me an opportunity. And you know what? If it doesn't give me an opportunity to enter properly, then don't take the trade. It's not my trade. Oh, we might get along when this candle closes. This will be interesting. Let's see. Let's put it on. Let's get it on MFFU. Where are you? Boom. There we go. 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. But we need a down close. Doesn't look like we're going to get it. Another bad entry. I should be in at 73. I'm in at 75.50. Trying for 80, I guess. That's enough. There we go. I don't know what it did for me. And there you go. Perfect. I fixed the arrows. Let me just see on the 15-minute didn't close yet. It's too bad, man. It's too bad. Where's Woodchip this morning? Where's Woodchip? Where's Antonio? I'm hungry. I wasn't hungry before, but I'm hungry now. Let me try and scalp a small piece. Let's do 3 lots. 87. Let's get 81 or better. You don't get it? Well then, okay, here you go. Oops. Ah, shit. Okay, 2 lot. Two lot added a little bit. I did want 81 or better, and I got in too quick. 84, 83, 85. Where are we? You know what? I'm thinking about buying right on the previous day's close. No, 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 no. No good. We're going to hold off. We're going to hold off. There's news in 3 minutes. It was a good day today so far. Day's not over, but it was a good day. I think it will be a good day because I'm focused and committed to trading the right way, so I won't get into trouble. Two minutes. Maybe the Chinese balls are bringing me luck. Maybe as you rotate the Chinese balls in your hand, you generate a positive force field. This candle's going to close outside the 15-minute opening range break. The 15-minute opening range. ORB, OR, whatever the fuck it's called. The opening range. The 15-minute opening range. We're going to close above it. Interesting. And then the target is going to be 17 points. That's the system. Using the ATR as a target. Really? 40 points? Listening to OFT. He's thinking about shorting it around 300, a little bit under the previous day's high, and having it rotate lower back into the VWAP. Boom, news. There we go. That's over the 300. And, well, you see, you couldn't take this trade anyways for the ORB. 95.05. You got your 17 points, but you would have had to try to trade it with the news, so this one doesn't count. Gold took a trade. Okay. Got a quick move in gold. Hey, what's happening with the 15-minute? Actually took a trade. Took a trade short, really? Yes, it did. Let's put it on Sim 103. So the 15 minutes gotten hurt. This is the second time the 15 minutes gotten hurt. Wow, that was a move in gold. Let me just sell two again and market. See what happens. And again. Uh-oh. See what happens. They got me. They got me. It went too fast. Come on, get down. This can go back up to 3,300. Yeah, this was an impulsive, undisciplined trade. And see how much damage it's going to cause. Come on, get to the low sevens. Wrong way. 87, 87.9, 87.654, 79, 77, 76, 75. Get me out. I'll accept a small loss. Come on, 777674. Why are you not getting me out of anything? Okay, I accept the loss because it was an impulsive trade, selling at the low, so it was a FOMO trade. See how you pay the price when you do stupid stuff? But now I have a legitimate trade because that's a short. Come on, push lower. Does anybody see what I did wrong? I'll tell you. What did I say at the beginning of the morning? I'm going to trade 2 lots in gold because I haven't tamed gold yet and it's a hard animal to trade. And I just found myself in an 8th lot. How does that happen? That's forgetfulness. Okay, so let's get into my 2 lot. Now it's a regular trade. There we go. Now I could sit and just trade it like a normal human being. Why I forgot before was terrible. The 15-minute is getting killed. It's on sim. Let's see gold tank. I want to see gold tank. I'll add it. Yeah, I'll add it. Gold triggers again at 86. Gold triggers at 86. I'll add to the short side, just to let you know. Getting there. $1 away. And let me check in the 5-minute. The 5-minute. Still far away from a trade. Let's just watch the 15-minute trade, even though it's getting hurt. And gold, I'll have to get out if it gets up another $1. Actually, I should have shorted. Yep. Just leave it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. So close. If that bar on the white chart closes for a bullish candle, which it just did, I have to get out. Take me out. Don't run. Get back down. Blow on it. I'll have to mark it out if it forms another candle. I can't afford it. Come on. Come down. Take me out. Give me a little bit of better price on the exit. Sell a little bit. Sell a little bit before you run. Sell, 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 sell. There you go. Close. Perfect. Okay, so that was a legitimate trade. Oh, really? You're going to put me right back in the same fucking trade? Ah, don't be mean to me. I hate the repetitive trades. The ones that stop you out, go back, re-enter, stop you out. It is what it is, and they're going to happen, but I hate when they do. Let's just get out of this trade. Let's just get out of this trade. Gold's toying with me. Let's focus on NQ. Oh, I was gonna say, didn't I add the prior day's high, low, and close? But that was on the 5-minute. I gotta have it on all my charts. It's just too important. It's just too important not to have in all your charts. It's a black chart, so I need it to be white. Yeah, and we're trading over previous day's high. That's the green dash line. So what's next to take out now? London highs. You know what? I can say nice trade on the 5-minute ORB, but you couldn't have gotten in, so not really. Gold, another losing trade. I missed it. What chip? What chip? Look, I got my Chinese balls, but I can't rotate them. My hand has to be in this position to rotate them. Remember we talked about it last week? They're heavy. My hands are exhausted. Got a pair for my son also, but I have to tell you, I think they're working because I'm rotating them aggressively, which means I'm stressed and I'm taking out my stress. With the Chinese balls. So the 5 minute, what is it? This is the 15 minute. The 15 minute is short and getting killed. That's okay. Long day still. 15 minutes is going to close this trade in 6 minutes. The 5 minute is, let's get it on the right account. It doesn't have a trade, the 5 minute, and it will be looking for a short, I think. Anyways, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. The long and Bulenox, but not a good entry. My entry's at 43. Got out with a small gain. The account is at 52,760, so I don't want to risk it. Okay, so watching gold. I'm not going to take that. That was kind of like an impulsive trade. Not going to do that anymore. Yeah, that was another one. It's kind of like how I got in trouble with gold selling the bottom. It's a good thing I got out. Shit, damn, and I oversized. Got to watch that sizing thing. My brain's got to be on point. My brain's got to be working. That's not a mistake, guys. 90% off on Apex Trader funding for today and tomorrow. Use code FLOOR. It is always appreciated when you guys support the channel. It puts a smile on my face, especially for such a small channel, which I am trying to grow, by the way. So gold's moved back into long territory. NQ is strong long. You heard it here first. I've always said if we're trading above previous day's high, that's one of the strongest bullish indicators. Could have called that a bullish flag over there. 12-point range on the 1 minute candle, so nothing spectacular. But let's see where all this takes us. 160 away from a pass. Yeah, you're better than me. I am 240 away with Bulenox for my second master account. Right now I have nothing that I can trade. Everything is in limbo. Wait for a setup mode. I had an overnight long. I remember the last one you had. I think you hit like 5 Gs or something. Hey, was that really you that brought in all those guys in the morning? I forgot their names. Some of them subscribed. You gotta tell me how you do it. I mean, I'm 100% I'm 100% sure it was you because it was the exact same pattern as the last time. They all came in right at the open. You gotta tell me how you do that because it worked twice. You have to come into the Discord or type it out in the Discord, or we'll chat it up in the Discord. One day I'll bug you for that. What chip is the OS? The original subscriber for my channel. He's number one. So wood chip will always have VIP red carpet status. Push, yeah, definitely. But before, let's dump a little bit. Nothing major. Just give me like a 20-point drop and then I can get in. Right now, all I have to do is watch this. It's terrible. See, that's the thing about not chasing and no FOMO. You spend a lot of time on all these moves you just watch them. How many times have I said I have to watch that guy, Al Brooks? He explains how to get in on these kinds of moves, on the kinds of moves that just are one-way trains. You can see it more on the 1 minute chart since 9:37, and you could have kind of already determined you want to try and start getting in by 9:55 at least. At least in my opinion. Then we got above previous day's close, and then we really got above. I mean, you got this fair value gap on the 1 minute chart above the previous day's high, which is the green dash line. Now you really got to try and get in somehow, some way. Yes, and go figure, the algo called Madman Antonio is looking for a short. It's trading the MFFU account, which is up 166. I think it was up 250 at one point, but I'm also trading gold on the MFFU account, and I think I took a few hits. That was a collaboration between some of my logic and some of his logic. Oh, well, look at that. Gold is in a long trade that just took a loss, and I missed it. Very good. Wow, I missed a lot of losing trades today. Some days all you do is you take all the losers and you miss all the winners. And today I'm missing all the losers. Not catching all the winners, but I'm definitely missing almost all the losers. Coffee's good. Yeah, I'm not going to throw away this day with stupidities, just to let you guys know. There's going to be no traffic accident to watch today or to look at. I'm just going to wait for entries. Take them for proper size. And que sera, sera. What will be, will be. Whatever the market gives me, the market gives me. Gold's long again. Should be a 2-lot at 97. Can I get in at 96.5? I think it goes to 416. NQ is long too at 64. 6.3. Let me see if I can get a 6.3 fill on a 2-lot. And let's see if I can get a fill. No, I can't. Missed it on NQ. I need it to be long at 64. Missed it. It's already at 72. Okay. I did good on my Apex, 276. And I bet it's still at 50. Okay, I was going to say, I bet it's still at 50,500. No, it's at 50,700. It's like this account never grows. Hmm. $50 away. Look at you. I'm gonna get stopped out on another gold trade. Very close to getting stopped out. But actually, this is a good point to add for a 2-lot because it's so close to the stop. Actually, you see, I'm letting it go a little bit more because every time it gets close to the stop and then it reverses, and this time I'm gonna let it go and it's gonna go farther away. Come on, come back up. Go back up. 5.9. 5.3. I'm short at 9. 5.3. I mean, it stopped out, so this is kind of loss management now. 5.4, 5.5, 5.7. Take me out at 5.7, and that's like almost a profitable trade. Yeah, 5.5, and I'm offering at 5.7. I'll make 2 points on a loss on a trade that's supposed to lose money. That's cool. It's going the wrong way. 5.3. Bye. Yeah, I see it. I'm watching NQ, but I'm in a gold trade right now. There we go. Okay, that was good. Bye. Yep. No, we said it in the morning. Okay, well, Chip, I might join you on the long if I can get in around 65. Hurry up. Mr. Mike, don't be slow here. 67, 66, 68. I want 65. Actually, 64 would be a better price. I mean, of course, 64 would be a better price. 64 would be the optimal price. That would be a 2-to-1 trade for me with a 50% accuracy rate. Funny. Didn't get to 64. We're up at 71 now. Target would have been 78 on that trade. 14 points. Let's see if we get there. 73. $75. We're getting there. 76. 2 points away on the ask. I took my eyes away. I don't know if it hits. Let me see. No, it doesn't look like it hits yet. That means 64 is still in play. Okay, let me do, I said no train wreck, but let me buy one at 71. I'll add one at 64. Yeah, OFT, I heard. Weren't we bullish in the morning? You flipped bias. I guess you got to trade your strategy, right? 64 I add. 78 I'm out. I'm not crazy about this trade, but I'm kind of bored, so I don't mind taking it for just a small lot. In the meantime, I'm waiting for my 5-minute chart to take a trade. And gold's not going anywhere. Oh, you're right, Mikey. No trading gold after like 10:15 on the US market. Okay, gold's done. Gold is done. Let's get out of the gold chart so I don't even see it anymore. Oh, there was my 64. There we go. 64, 62. We got a 2-lot, average price 67. Let's lower risk, and now let's see if we can get up to 78. 70, 71. I was bullish, but they trapped long and didn't let us out. I was bullish. Ah, yeah, and that dump there. Yeah. 71, 72. Come on. Let's see 75. No pullbacks. Yeah. There's no both directions. It was straight down and straight back up. Pretty much. 68. Come on. 78. Is it so hard to ask for 78? What's my exit on this? 64, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 57. Was just shorting extensions. Normally we get a pullback to cover. Yep. What's the volatility? It's 10. That kind of low volatility on the 1 minute, that's less pullbacks. Less vibrations, what I call vibration. You know, less of this. When you have this like this in the markets, for me, that's my official term, this. No, but okay, it looks funny, but when the markets have volatility, they're vibrating more, so it's easier to, sell the ask, buy the bid, short a little bit of a retrace and cover. You have movement, but when the volatility is low, it's more of a slow death, I find. I'm watching the 5-minute chart. Unfortunately for me, I'm forgetting it's the 5-minute. I'm seeing the volatility of 28.41, but that's on the 5-minute candles. Not much, just trading. So there's the 78. Gold's gone to sleep. And in 2 minutes, it's very possible we're going to get a trade on the 5-minute chart with the algo, which the strat, the robo trader, the auto trader, whatever you want to call it. So many names. You know what? The name in MT4 was so easy. They call it an EA. It's kind of a weird word. It's an acronym for expert advisor. Go figure. So 2 minutes for a possible short on gold on NQ on the 5-minute chart, and 2 minutes for nothing in on the 15-minute chart. Well, let's see what happens on this trade. I got to hold them for 5 minutes. Pretty impressive, eh? Uh, 1 minute and 14 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go just check in on my. Oh, really? The RDR? Wow. Oh, this is not a good trade. I always said that if you're right at the initial balance high, when the initial balance is forming, that's a very bullish sign, especially if we break it. So I'm kind of hoping this candle doesn't close up, because I'm guessing it's going to be a losing trade. There's a good probability. That's a very strong sign of strength. Strong strength. That's strong strength. When you break the initial balance within the first couple of minutes, let's say between 10:30, 10:33, there is very often continuation. Okay, so we didn't get a trade. That's good. Just confirming by being on the positions tab. Yeah. So we are, let me see what that is. Let me open up the data box. What did we do on this one? The open was 70.75. The close was 69.50. We closed lower. Okay. I'm going to go watch the initial balance on the 1-minute chart. If I can see, the VWAP's in the way. The VWAP explanation here that it's the blue dashed line. Let's watch it on the 1-minute chart. But I have a little bit of time, so I'll be back in a few seconds, guys. Not too long. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I'm absolutely freezing and we're going into June. Not fun. Not fun. Do we have anything? We didn't break. We just wicked through the initial balance on the 1 minute, while I was gone. On the 5 minute. 56 seconds. We'll see what happens. Might get a trade on the 5 minute chart with the algo. Not sure. We'll have to watch and see. "30 seconds away. I'm thinking there will be a trade being entered into. I hope it doesn't do too much damage, the trade, because MFFU is only up $142. And it's going to be an MFFU trade. Six seconds. It goes short at, oh, that was an error. Okay, we have to see something. Click. I'm not sure if I should go short. It's a 3 lot, right? We're doing. Now I know I should be short. Now I know I should be short. I just needed to see a little bit of red. So let's see what this trade brings us. Gonna hold for 5 minutes. How's that? Are you guys impressed? Futures floor holding for 5 minutes. You heard right. It is. Anyways, I'm supposed to be trading 10 lots. But because I'm kind of just putting it through its paces still, so I decided 3 lots today, 5 lots tomorrow, if everything works well, and everything's working well, and a 10 lot tomorrow. You know what? We're having a little bit of a nice extension lower, 73. I'm going to take 10 points if I can get it. First, it's a small piece, just one. I'll remove 1 at 10, 1 at 20, and 1 at 30, if I'm given that opportunity. There's the 10. Okay. Now I'm looking for 53 for the others. Other than that, the system will take it out. We'll let the algo take it out. But I did run some tests, just to let you know, on the weekend and yesterday night until late in the morning. And I did notice that the 10, 20, 30 strategy was pretty good. Yeah, when it dumps 40 points and you're short, you don't catch it. But you caught 10, you caught 20, you'll catch the 10, 20, and the 30, which is an average of 20. That's pretty cool. So far, I've been in the trade 2.5 minutes. Yes, that's a record for me, just to let you know. And I'm not being facetious. My average trade time is under a minute. It's probably around, I would have to say it's under 30 seconds even. I would think it's around 28 seconds, 26 seconds, my average trade time. Okay, not doing anything. We didn't get down to the 53. I took a little bit off. I took the 1 lot when we had about 10 points. Wow, we are really trading sideways on the 5 minute chart, eh? What does it look like on the 1 minute chart? Yeah, a little bit of a, oh wow, we got to close below the swing low. Okay, that could be a good omen. Could be a bad omen. Could be a good omen. And the trade will close at 10:40. That's not a price, that's a time. And I'm watching for 50, let's say 52 bid or something. Yeah, 52, 53 bid to remove another one lot off the trade. We got another minute. And you will have witnessed futures floor holding a trade for 5 minutes. No, don't go up. Go down. "36 seconds. Okay, I added the one lot just in case you're curious, because that way the system will be in sync, because the system's gonna cover a 3 lot. So I don't want it to make me long one, so I added one. No big deal. It is what it is. We're 6 seconds away. Ooh, a little bit of a bump there. 3, 2, 1. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, a little bit of an error there, but whatever. Shit, I missed it twice. I have a long at 78 on NQ. And I had 76. I was going to take 76. If it gets to 85, I can't get in anymore. I will have missed the winner. 84. That's gonna be a bummer. 79, 78. You know what? Let me take this. Didn't fill me. Come on, 76.50. There we go. 76 and a quarter. Okay. Let's see if we can do a little bit better with this. 78, 74, 64, 64. What's 64? 76 is 12. Around 70. Maybe I'll add it 70. There we go. Let's see if I can improve my price here without it going down and stopping me out. Okay. So I fixed my average price. My average price is 73. That's 5 points better now. And I'm holding a 5 lot. And I'm out. I added a little bit. I added a little bit because the execution wasn't that good. So there you got to see 2 different trades. The algo, which I held for 5 minutes, and then one that I did manually, which I held for probably less than a minute. Yeah, we need rocket fuel. You can order it from a couple of specialty websites, delivering 2 days, but the FBI will visit you in 1 day. No kidding. Still long. 78. Maybe I'll get back in. Why not, man? 70. I'll take this trade. Even if I get stopped out, I'm good with it. It's a 6 point stop. I don't mind being stopped out. Come on, let's make a little bump. Let's get that bump up. Rocket fuel. Wood chips ordering rocket fuel. Just letting you know. Wrong way. You don't want to go that way for rocket fuel. Oh, wait. You know what's been lucky? The Chinese balls have been lucky. There we go. I got the Chinese balls in my hand. Now we'll shoot up to 75, 76, 71, 72, 73, 72, 73. Fuck off. Give me 74. I'll take the 74. I would have liked to have better numbers with the, I can get back in at 68 again, eh? Shit, damn. It's tempting me. Why not? That's kind of vibration. It's a 6-point vibration. I'll take it. In, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. At this level. That's what it's giving. I'll take it. How do I know? The Chinese balls tell me. 74. We got back up there. It's too bad. I should have gotten in. I didn't have a chance. You see what? You know in hockey when they tell you keep your hand on the stick? Keep your hand on the mouse, Mike. Stop taking your hand off the mouse. I take my hand off that mouse. I saw it at 68. I put my hand on the mouse. It was at 70. I couldn't get my 68, and it went back up to 74. Could have pulled out another 6 points, which would have been another $60 in under a minute. Now it's at 68, 67 again. Can do it again. I don't feel like it anymore. I'm tired. My brain's getting tired. See, these are, and there is 74. Do not copy my trades. Entertainment only. I'm not a financial advisor. You have to develop your own systems. You need to trade on demo. And this is strictly for entertainment. You know what's entertaining, guys? Clicking the subscribe button. There's nothing more fun than clicking the subscribe button. If you click that subscribe button, you're going to be saying to yourself in the evening, wow, that was a fun day. Oh, and using code FLOOR, 90% off Bulenox. 1 day only, or 2 days, I'm not sure. You have to go on the Apex website and see, but I'm not sure how long it is. 1 to 6 hours. I think it's still tonight till midnight. Use code FLOOR. I appreciate it. I thank you in advance. You got to use a code anyway, so why not use code FLOOR, right? I'm going to pick up a couple of more 50K accounts, I think. We still have this 78 trade that's being worked, eh? So 68, 74 is still in play. 70, 85 is in play, meaning getting in at 70, getting out at 85 for 15 points. That's within the volatility of what's happening now. And in 2 minutes, we're going to have another trade on the with the algo. Let's see what this one does. Again, not crazy about it because we are just hugging that opening range, the 1 hour opening range, the initial balance, and I do not want to see a blast off candle. Just got a 150K for 29.70. You're the man. Hold on, I need a bell. Do I have a bell to ring? Wait. I gotta have one. No. I know I have one. Great, my mail fell. I will. Give me a second. I will create one. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Here's the wood chip. Using code FLOOR like they do at Costco. Way to go, wood chip. Using code FLOOR. Anybody that uses code FLOOR gets the bell. Can I trade like this? Is it even legal? Can I see my charts? Well, okay, I know you can't drink your coffee like this. You can't drink coffee. This does not, hold on. No, it's not going in. What does that leave me with? Doesn't leave me with much. Okay, well, you see that from... No, that's not from Sparky. That's when Sparky goes to the bathroom. Really? We didn't get a long trade? I think we did get a long trade. Oh, I'm disconnected. I mean, a short trade. I don't even know anymore. But you know what? I don't want to take a short trade. Okay, that was fun. Where are the headphones? I'm all tangled. Okay, don't need the hat. I'm done. I can breathe. But, whew. Okay, who took my glasses? Nobody. They're right here. Bye, Meg. There we go. I could see. I'm gonna crush it. Yeah. After that performance, we're all gonna crush it. I got the bell. Anybody uses code FLOOR, let me know. I ring the bell. Anybody hits the subscribe button, I ring the bell. That's it. I don't have notifications, so you gotta let me know. I don't know how to get notifications. Come on. I want to ring the bell. I got 8 degens in here using the code. Using the code. Another one. Now get me a subscriber. I got 70 gens in the channel. One of you is not subscribed. I know it. Make me ring the bell. In the meantime, what do I got going? Yeah, I'm not using the algo anymore. I'm up 352 in the Apex. Sim 103 is losing money. What a day, what a day. Hey, OFT, do you have Costco in Finland? I know, again, I could just Google it. But you're here. I'm asking you. I do not have a long trade. We're really quiet. What a hell it is. Costco, it's like a warehouse kind of store. It's you pay a membership. I'm not joking. You pay a membership to have the privilege to spend your money there. So over here where we are, my membership is $125, $100, $140, I don't know, annual for me and my wife, for the privilege to spend money there. And then when you go buy stuff, many of the items are packaged like you own a restaurant. So, if you need tuna, you're going to get like 30 cans. It's all shrink wrapped. Then, yeah, that's it. They force you to buy 3 times the amount you need. You buy hamburger beef, you got to buy like 8 kilograms. But you know what? You do save money. You do save money there. Oh, and why does everyone go, just in case you're wondering? Because they give samples at the end of every aisle, almost all the time. So everyone in there is doing sample runs, going from aisle to aisle, tasting everything. By the time you finish, you've gained a pound. It's fun. My son's laughing. Yeah, you're hungry, you go to Costco, you go eat the samples. You just got to keep your fingers crossed. It's the fun stuff and not the stuff you don't want to taste. We have some supermarkets here. Well, and of course you have supermarkets. Decaf trade. Oh yeah, a half cap. I am completely lost with what I'm doing. The I've lost control. The algo would have been short at 373. It's too bad. But you know what? There's always tomorrow. There's always tomorrow. Oh, I can drink my coffee again. Trading evals, 2 past. Way to go. Shit, damn. Give a little love to the like button while you guys are here, trading and buying at the same time. That was a funny comment. We have supermarkets here. Yeah, it's not a supermarket. It's not only food. They sell everything. They sell books, jewelry, clothing, camping toys, tools, plates, computer stuff, everything, everything, everything. Groceries. Groceries is about a third of the store. I think that's what most people go for. When you watch the people coming out with the carriages, most of them have the groceries in the cart. That's what we go for. And we pick up other stuff. We have Karkainen. No, you guys have IKEA. Karkainen, I guess it's German. But yeah, no, isn't there IKEA? What's that? Is that I always no Swedish. Yeah, that's it. TVs. They have TVs. That's right. They have a glasses section, an optometrist, everything. Yeah, IKEA is Swedish. I just remembered the commercials here. The guy has an accent. He imitates an accent. We're from Sweden. Do I take one more trade? Do I take it on the MFFU account and try to push it a little higher if it triggers? Should I take a pull? Should I run a poll to see if I should run a poll? We have German stores here also. Hmm. Okay, that's good. Hot, fresh pizza to go. Yeah, the pizza's a deal and a half. It's an extra large. I think it's an 18-inch pizza. If it's not an extra large, it's an extra large, and it's $12. And then of course their signature food item, the hot dog with the drink. 64, 62. Let me get in a little bit better. Let's take one trade. It's the MFFU account. Let's go for an oversized 10 lot and lose right away. Yeah, the hot dog and a drink for $1.50. That's the deal. That's the deal and a half that everyone buys, or most people buy, or a lot of people buy. Hey, hold on, 47. Come on, get up to the 60s. And I heard a story that someone in a meeting, come on, get back up there. You see what happens when you don't, there you go, 30, 40, 50. There we go. Okay, got it. Oh, thought I got it over 200. Yeah, in the meeting, the rumor is that he suggested that they raise the price for the hot dog and the Coke, or a hot dog and the soft drink, let's say, because it's $1.50. And the rumor is that the story that I heard is that guy got immediately fired, and the CEO or whoever it was, the Costco boss, said, "We are never, ever going to raise the price of the hot dog and the drink more than $1.50. It will always stay at $1.50." That's their signature item. No matter how much money they lose on it, they said that they want customers to leave and feel like they're getting a phenomenal deal on a hot dog and a Coke, and to leave with a glorious smile on their face. And you know what? It works. I look forward to my hot dog and a Coke when I leave, I'm sorry to say. So I don't know. I got in at 62. I don't know what I got out at, but I was at 114. Now I'm at 189. Let me see if I can get back in at the end. The official entry 64. If I can get in at 60, that would be cool. My wrist is killing me from these Chinese balls. I'm going to need a carpal tunnel syndrome cast. I can't play with this all day. Seriously. It's going to break my arm. Got to go back to my poker chips. Maybe as my arm gets stronger. That's it. That's it. 64, 71. There's no more entry. It's finished. My mic on? Yeah, it is. Didn't do a sound check. I mean, I did one in the morning, but I don't know. Sound does weird things sometimes. I'm back. Guess who's back? Waiting for a trade. I can tell you one thing. I can already see that the 5-minute chart is going to take a, oh shit, Lamar, a short. Let me do it for a 3. 2. 2. Let's see if I can get myself above, I already got myself above 200. That was nice. 67. Hey, you know what? Take it. There you go. Don't be greedy. If the markets are going to give you 8 points in like 8 seconds, it's my job to take it. Right? Wow, I'm looking at the stream here. The way I tilt my head up to look at my monitor, you guys must think my monitor is on the ceiling. That's so funny. Maybe I should just tilt my eyes up. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. It's like I'm doing this. That's what it looks like. I'm watching it there. Right there you got entertainment value, not financial advice. There you go. It's not financial advice. Don't put your monitor on the ceiling. That's not the best place for it. Okay, you know what? I think for the first day with MFFU, which has been my unlucky account, I'm going to be happy with 215. 352, what does that bring my Apex account to? Yeah, it's only one account. 743, not bad. One more push. Oh, I thought I was going to press the bell again. I got all excited. One more push. Yeah, well, let's go take a look at, wow, look at that. Look at the initial balance. Hold on. One wick above, a rejection, one close above, right back down. The initial balance is holding price lower. And on the 5-minute chart, I could sell again. How much longer? There's 2 minutes. Let me sell one. Let me sell one. I mean, I'm just farting around here, but the algo is short. I know for sure, and it would be holding for another 2 minutes. So let me hold for another 2 minutes, even though Woodchip says one more push. Woodchip makes some good calls, but you know what? As Woodchip and me have remarked very often, both can win. I could take out $12 on this trade, and then we can get one more push. Eight, nine, 950. 9. I'm waiting to see 10. 9. Fuck you. There we go. Okay, 220, 320. Another adding, another little bit of adding as I'm trading with my monitor on the ceiling. I'm not sure if it's worth getting in anymore because the algo is going to close the trade in 48 seconds. So we'll let it go. That's it. Oh, wow, look at that. One more push. You know what? My topstep charts are long. At 71, just went long. Just now, fresh. That's a fresh long trade. And that fresh long trade is indicating a 70% chance we get the 78 bid. Interesting. Let's get the hand on the mouse and let's go for a 4 lot. 71.66. I'll take it. That's a 5 point. That's 5 points better. Stop out, no stop out. This is a good trade. 66 to 78 is 12 points. And I will reduce risk at in the 70s. 69, 69. Question is, why do I reduce risk? Let me get 71, 72. 72 is about 6 points. 70, 71. Come on, take me out. There we go. Okay. Now I have a pretty much almost a risk-free trade. Not really, but almost. As close to you'll get as a risk-free trade. And I'm at 254 already. Look at that. I was under. I got back under. I got back over, and now I'm at 254. Let's get to 260. That's respectable. Then I think I'm going to call it quits with a strong finish. I want to get over 260. Can you believe it? I'm trading dollar amounts. Remember I said never do that? So just because I said that, I punish myself. I get out and I close under 260. That's my punishment for saying stupidity. And with that being said, guys, I think that's it for me for today. Maybe I'll come back in the afternoon. We'll see. Joker said, there's the 78. Didn't take long. I should have waited. I shouldn't have opened my mouth and say I'm trading the numbers. The one takeaway from today, don't play with Chinese balls all day because your hand will get sore. And that's it. I'm going to take off. Like I said, maybe I'll show up in the afternoon. Joker said we're co-streaming today at 8 p.m. I think that's usually what time we start. So you have a Joker Trades Futures Floor co-stream. I'll be back at 9:15. And use code FLOOR, Bulenox, 90% off. Not Bulenox, Apex, one more day. 90% off. Bulenox, 91% off till May 30th. So take advantage of the deals while you can. Much better way to trade than trading with your own capital, in my opinion. And much lower risk. Don't degen, not financial advice. Don't over leverage, not financial advice. I'm talking to myself. Entertainment only. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I was hoping to hit the bell one more time. Does anyone want to lie and say they bought one more account with the code FLOOR? Besides Woodchip. Someone different has to say something on the chat. You can lie. You can say, I bought one. I bought one using code FLOOR. I'll ring the bell. I won't put on the mask, though, because I threw it away. I mean, I didn't throw it away. I threw it far away. But I'll wait. I'm counting to 15. You're on an 8-second delay. That gives you 8 seconds. Okay. There we go. We have a winner. Bingo. Okay, guys, that was fun. Thanks for putting a smile on my face, OFT. Like I said, truth or not, at least we got to hit the bell again. Yeah, I'm a kid at heart. And I'm not getting rid of this bell. I love it. My son's going to hit me over the head with a hammer, but I forgot what I was saying. I got so excited with the bell. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. Honest truth. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15, and at the co-stream tonight at 8 p.m. Thanks for showing up. Bye.